Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen rotation not working on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is enable auto rotate in these settings. So we're gonna go over, unlock the phone and go right here. We're gonna scroll down and make sure that it does not say lock orientation right here. Let me quickly lower the brightness for you guys. Make sure that it does not say lock orientation right here. Make sure that it says screen orientation is unlocked. Now what are we going to do is we're going to tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So we're going to start off with the first app, which is the phone. Works perfectly fine. Now for the Play Store, also works perfectly fine. So that means our gyroscope is working. So this app actually does not support it. Let's try the app that will definitely support it, like our gallery. And of course, Chrome, we've tested this one before. Now, as you guys can see, even the camera is working properly. And of course, every single app is simply working. So that means our gyroscope is good. And if yours is glitching out, what you guys want to do is to restart the phone to reset the sensors entirely. So hold the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot. And the phone now is rebooting. So I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any sensor issues. So go to settings, go to about phone and tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. I got no updates available, but as you guys can see, if you will have an update available, you will have the download button right here where the Xiaomi community button is. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.